Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So, to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and do that once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the hotspot toggle. For me, it's right over here. So anyway, once you see it, first time around, I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the setup of your hotspot. Now in here you'll find under the hotspot password a randomly generated password. I recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers, it doesn't really matter. I chose a very simple one. Anyway, let's click on OK. Additionally, you can go over the other options in here, like turn off hotspot automatically. This is something that might be important to you. If you tend to use your hotspot for prolonged periods of time, it might sometimes turn itself off automatically when it detects that no data is being used, even though you're connected to it. In this case, you might want to turn it off. But for most people, if you're going to be turning it on just like occasionally to do, I don't know, a quick task with it, for instance, like I do, this option is a very nice option, as I tend to not turn it off myself later on, and this would mean that it would, with this toggle off, it would run indefinitely in the background, and hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so if it's not being used, it's just wasting your phone's battery. Now additionally, we have use 2.4 GHz only band. If you turn that off, it's going to add a 5 GHz one, so it would basically give you a faster and more stable connection, but not every device will be able to see the 5 GHz one. The 2.4 is basically used by literally every device that has any kind of Wi-Fi connectivity, and for a phone hotspot, I think it's pretty good. You don't need like a blazing fast hotspot, even though like when your phone doesn't even give you this fast of an internet from mobile. So I'll keep it as it is. Now we're gonna just close this up and let's find the toggle once more. This time around, simply tap on it to turn it on. Now unfortunately here, as I just realized, it turns off your Wi-Fi. You've seen happen. Let's give it a second, it should re-enable. Yep, there we go. You can see it automatically re-enables. So when you're using your hotspot, all your internet will be going from your mobile network. If you have a limited data plan, this might not be a very good option for you. And also, obviously, with it enabled, this device that is hosting right now cannot use internet through Wi-Fi, as it's using the same antennas to broadcast the internet to other devices now. So anyway, once your hotspot is enabled, you can connect to your mobile network with other devices to this one and use internet on those. And once you're done using it, you can click on this toggle once more to turn it off, and as you see, this will also re-enable your Wi-Fi automatically. So with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.